Welcome to this channel, Nostec Academy. Please subscribe and like the video. Alright, so when you are given this inequality, this is under linear programming. So now we're asked to come up with three inequalities that describe this unshaded region or the wanted region R. So when you look at this, we have three inequalities. We have this line which is here. We also have this diagonal line and this other diagonal line. Now we are asked to write this one, and it's 5 marks in an exam. This came in 2019 paper 1. All right. So the first inequality that we come up with here is always start with the simplest inequality. Simplest, what I mean is that those that are straight in horizontal, okay, or vertical, like this, okay, vertical or horizontal, those are the first inequalities you should start with, because these other these other lines that cut the x and y axis, they take time to solve, okay, a bit of time to solve. So we have this straight line here, and this line is cutting y at, this is 0,6, this is x and this is y. All right, even here this is x and this is y, so y is constant here, 6. So meaning this line is cutting the y axis at 6. So the first thing you write that y is equal to 6. This is not the answer, no. The next thing is this is the equation, then you write an inequality as your final answer. Okay, this is y is equal to 6, yes. Now the first thing is that you should look where the line is you are shading. Remember, when it is horizontal like this and then the shading is up, it is greater than. If the shading is down, it is less than. And we always write the inequality opposite to the shading. So here the inequality will be y, the shading is greater than, so the inequality is less than. So y is less than. Now, is it less than or equal to? You look at the nature of the line. The line is a solid line, so it will be less than or equal to 6. And this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. The next question, you can start with any of the two. So the first thing, you come up with 2 points. This is 0,6 and then this is 2,0. You can start with any 2,0 and 0,6 or the other way around. So I'll just write 2,0 and 0,6 like this. And when you have 2 points, to find the equation of a line, we can either use the gradient. First find the gradient, then use the gradient to find the equation, or you can use this formula. This formula I'm about to show you will help you to solve the gradient and the equation at the same time. Okay, so this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. Okay, as simple as this. Okay, so if you look at this equation, this is the formula for gradient, then this is for finding the equation of a line. When you combine them, you find the equation of a line. This is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Let's substitute and find the equation. y2 is 6. 6 minus y1, 0 over x2 is 0 minus x1 2 is equal to y is just y minus y1 0 over x2 0. I mean x is just x here, don't forget, don't make that mistake, don't substitute with these two values here, minus x1 is 2. Then we solve, we can simplify. Okay, 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 0 minus 2 is negative 2 is equal to y minus 0 is just y. This will be just x minus 2. Remember, this can go there, 2 here, negative 1, 2 there, 3. So we have no 3 over negative 1, okay, or negative 3, because this can go there, negative 3 times. Okay, okay, let's just write negative 3. Negative 3 is equal to y over x minus 2. Let's put over 1 here so that we solve nicely. Okay, when cross multiply, 1 times y will be just y is equal to negative 3 will be multiplied with x minus 2. Y is equal to, this time this is negative 3x. Negative times negative, positive 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, we're almost there. Now we get back to the, so we found the equation of a line, but we are asked to find the inequality. So we get back to the equation. So we're finding this one, and the shading is on the less than party. So our inequality should be on the greater than party, where the wanted region is. So it's just opposite, remember. So this is y is greater than, the shading is a solid, so like this, negative 3x plus 6. Okay, this is the answer. Or if you want, you can just rewrite it and start with x this side, but just leave it the way it is because due to time. All right, this is how you answer the first one. When you look at the second one, is similar to the when you look at the third one, is similar to the second one, the second question. You can get two coordinates 2, 0 and 8, 6. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. y2 here is 6 minus y1 0 over x2 is 8 minus x1 2 is equal to y minus y1 is just y1 is just 0 over x minus x1, which is 2. Okay, so where is that question? Okay, so here we solve this minus this is just 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. And here will be just y, x minus 2. 6 into 6 is 1 is equal to y over x minus, 6 into 6 is 1, y over x minus 2. When you cross multiply, it will be y is equal to 1 times everything here, it will be just x minus 2. This is not the answer, but we have to make sure that the inequality is correct. Okay, so now when you look at the question here, the shading is on the less than party. The shading is on the less than party, so inequality should be on the greater than. Okay, on the greater than. So here we'll write y is greater than. Now this is a dashed line, so it will be just greater than, not equal to. Greater than x minus 2, and this is the answer. So that's how you solve these inequalities. All right, so remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video you are notified. Thank you so much.